Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete our VN account. So let's get started. So if you want to delete your VN account, then what you have to do is first of all open up your VN application and then tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right. After tapping on your profile icon, just simply tap on the gear icon which is on the top right and then tap on delete your account which you can find in the bottom of your screen. After tapping on that, now in order to delete your account, what you have to do is just simply enter the following information. First, you have to enter this sentence which says, I am sure to delete my account. And after entering that, now in the second blank, what you have to do is just simply enter the reason why you would like to delete your account. Just simply go ahead and then do that. And after entering the first blank and then entering the reason why you would like to delete your account, just simply tap on confirm. And after tapping on confirm, now you have successfully deleted your account. So here you can see guys, the account has been successfully deleted. So that's it guys, this is how to delete your VN account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.